Alright guys, here is a Liz exclusive. Now, that woman's nuts. Just to let you know, she's nuts. Here we go. Check this out. This is recommended by Digging Canuck. The only problem is, Digging Canuck thinks these are amazing. She also thinks those hot things, those hot one chipper challenges are amazing. I don't know. I'm just glad she's still breathing with us. This right here is something she really favors in New Brunswick. And I happen to be driving through New Brunswick. Now, my background comes to you from Nova Scotia. So, I'm going to try this right now. And, see what's what. It might be a little soft. It was a little warm. Aw, man. This is brutal. It did not survive the trip. It did not survive, guys. This is bad. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Liz, your favorite chocolate just got destroyed. Now, if you guys saw the thing, it's got all sorts of stuff in it, and that does me no good. Let's see, Liz. Here you go. Isn't the background beautiful? Look what it looks like on the inside. Oh, wow. Liz, actually, it's not that bad. I don't like... Actually, it's not that bad, Liz. It's like pure sugar. But it tastes like fudge. Peanut butter fudge with a melted chocolate coating. Alright, I'm not gonna finish the second half right now because I don't want to get covered in chocolate. Digging Canuck, rock on! Look at this. By the way, Digging Canuck recommended the area I'm in. I'm near Peggy's Cove right now. So, and I'll be on my way to see for yours Acadian tomorrow, I believe, or the next day. So I'm not sure when you guys are going to see this, but maybe I'll just pop it up today with no editing. Rock on, Liz. I survived it. I don't know. It actually was pretty good. Let's see. I might do more. I can't believe I like this. Oh, man. I think it probably tastes better when it's not melted. It was 87 degrees here. Pure sugar. Woo! Alright, guys. As always, enjoy the moment. Rock on! Look at this! Nova Scotia! Woohoo!